Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got the Chaves Redencion Tanto Ultramar here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? Yes, this is a pretty cool one, guys. This guy comes with this classic Ultramar box, nice and shimmery. This is just a like red box with some magnetic flap, but whatever. This is what we care about because this is the Chaves Ultramar Tanto Redencion here with me for a quick review, and this is the Fanatic Edge pimped version. Look at this. I mean, this is like a nice powder coating right over here. Titanium frame lock. This is a beautifully pimped knife. It has very cool blacked out blade, S35 VN steel, dual thumb stud. This guy deploys like a boss. It just needs a little bit of wiggle to close it because of the coating of the blade, but it's a beast of a knife. It's really nice. Indeed, I like this one. It's a nice titanium frame lock, stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. You've got some nice micarta inlays, 3 screws to hold that together. Look at this jimping, real aggressive dual thumb stud. You've got a tip-up carry. Absolutely, you can. This is an unmistakable Chaves signature, of course, right over here. Skull, pocket clip, nice back spacer, which is beautifully flush, nicely machined. This guy is running on bearings, has a nice feel to it, just a tiny bit of hotspot going on over here. The action is pretty good, like deployment is absolutely fast. Sound also when you close it, nice and clicky. And nice and clacky when you open it up. And let's just quickly check the weight, because there's no internal skeletonization on this one, so it's gonna reflect a little bit on the weight, but it's not too crazy. But still, it's not like the lightest of them all, because this one is gonna be weighing in at 5.54 ounces, so just keep that in mind. So I'm not a super light one, but it is fantastic action, great grip. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.